Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and you can see this steady grind up off the 200-day exponential moving average. There really isn't much that the bulls have not taken out. 9-day, daily mid-band, 100-day, now we're above the 50. If they can convert this 50-day exponential moving average, which is sitting around 82.75, they can keep it converted all day. We're about 12 handles above it now. Then we start living in the 2700s. Then we start dealing with the this area back here, this high, 27, 26, 25, I think would need to be tested. And then you've got the test of the mid-band that failed back on March 21st up at 27.44. The key to all that, though, is maintaining the 50-day underneath and now maintaining the monthly pivot at 77 as support. So it's a situation where it's been a grind. The regular sessions themselves have been pretty whippy, but the reality is, one of the things I found myself doing yesterday was I was fighting price a little bit. I don't fight price very often, but I fought it a little bit yesterday. It was a green day. It was a 17 handle day, but it was a day where I found myself fighting a little bit of this whip. But you zoom out and you take a look at the hourly chart here and you see, daily pivot support, hourly mid-band support, making a higher high, confirming monthly pivot as support, and another higher high. So you can see the game here. And unless the bears can start to convert just about anything into resistance, in a vacuum, this thing will want to go up. I think earnings has supported that. The banks and some of the larger components of things. There's always a geopolitical shoe that can drop, but you've just got to trade what you have in front of you. And right now, what you have in front of you are higher lows and higher highs. So if the bears are going to come back and test monthly pivot, you want to pay close attention to any test of the hourly mid-band here at 87. It was tested yesterday. They could not convert it. To the extent they can't convert it today, it becomes a buying opportunity to go ahead and start printing things with 27s on the front of them. So steady climb off of these lows, and really nothing happening out there right now that's going to suggest that anything changes. Okay, couple administrative notes. We were supposed to have a webinar after the close today. I've had something that's come up. I'm not going to be able to be there, so we're going to rearrange the schedule on the webinar probably for another day this week, but I will get that out. So I apologize for that, but it's unavoidable. We're going to get back to doing midday updates and back to doing wrap-ups over on Instagram. And my suggestion would be watch that daily mid, watch the hourly mid rather, and then the monthly pivot. It's hooked up with daily pivot here. If you get a push down off the open or you get some news, if you get negative news that pushes this market down, how it reacts when it gets here is going to be really, really important. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. I will catch you for the midday update. Until then, trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.